My name is Dan Landgraff. I'm parts manager with Peterbilt of St. Louis. Peterbilt of St. Louis has been in business for 15 years here at this location. We sell new Peterbilts used of any kind that we've had on trade-in. We have a service shop that will handle any truck, and we sell parts for all makes and brands as well as the Peterbilt.
I've been here at Peterbilt St. Louis for about 18 months, and my history has been with dealers and the WDs as far as truck parts for over 20 years. I was first introduced to ATRO back in the 90s.
We've been selling it here for years, and it's always proven itself. And we do not carry other polyurethane parts. I want to offer either the OEM or the ATRO product for the customer.
It's a testament to the product and what people and repair shops are experiencing. They know it's a good product.
It not only reduces their expense of buying a replacement part, but it also reduces the downtime of having to take that truck or that trailer out of service.
ATRO designed a polyurethane bushing years ago, offering a rotating bushing that it would take away that torquing and twisting.
The polyurethane withstands the elements much better, from road salt and grime on the roads to a leaking oil line or a fuel line. It's going to last longer than a normal rubber product. The free rotation design, it allows the bushing to rotate in the torque rod, so it reduces the stress on your whole suspension system.
There's a lot of product offering coming out of ATRO. They have gone from being just a supplier of torque rods and arm bushings to now manufacturing radiator support bushings, hood bushings, motor mount, covering all makes and brands of trucks.
Gives us a chance to bring in new customers that maybe do not have a Peterbilt.
We call on the shops that are working on Freightliners, Kenworth, Volvo, all of them.
I had a customer recently that has multiple trucks. He purchased the OEM rubber hood bumpers, and I had already offered him the ATRO to start with. The OEM rubber did not last long enough. Second time he came back, he bought all ATRO, and he has not had to replace them since. And now he's a believer.
There are direct replacement parts, so you have precision fit material.
They design them for that application and that one only. Our ATRO rep has worked with our outside salesman and my counterman to also make them more aware of what ATRO has to offer.
A company like ATRO comes out with a 3-year warranty. That tells me that they're very confident with their product and very committed to their customers.
Because you don't see that on many products in the industry. It's going to keep working in their situation on their truck day after day, month after month, so they're not going to be replacing it over and over again or every year.
Beyond the bushings, as far as their torque rods, the welds are a lot stronger, probably better than the OE. I can honestly say that I've never used the warranty.
A lot of times customers are very adamant about parts manufactured and sold in the U.S., and that gets harder and harder with each passing year. With ATRO's only being about 100 miles from here, they're manufactured there. We can actually go out and tour the facility if we'd like to and see how the product's made.
Customers love ATRO bushings. They last. Just a great company.